Hello everyone, this is Reena Kashyap and you are watching my channel Fly with Reenu. It is based on English speaking journey. Whatever the portion I am struggling, every single day I will upload that. So without delay, I am going to discuss today's topic. So my today's topic is based on 4 types of sentence. Yesterday we already discussed about simple present tense. So today we will make sentences with the help of all 4 types of sentences. First, it is called affirmative sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, negative sentence. Fourth, WH sentence. अगर मैं कहीं गलत हूँ तो please don't focus into that. Our motto is not to dive into the grammar. Our main motto is speaking part. Okay, we are learning this structure only. This is going to help us in speaking or in our conversations. So without delay, the first one is affirmative sentence. Subject plus base form plus object. Second one is interrogative sentence. The sentence will start with do or does. Does का use generally हम third person singular number के साथ use करेंगे and apart from that हम do का use करेंगे. Third is negative sentence and structure is subject plus do does plus not plus verb plus object. In WH sentences, W format plus do or does plus subject plus verb plus object. Okay, this is our format. Now we have to follow all 4 of these. So I'm going to explain with the daily life examples. I'm going to start with a very simple example. I go to school in affirmative, and in interrogative, do you go to school every day? In interrogative, in negative, I don't go to school every day. WH, what time do you go to school? This is the very simple example. I'm going to explain with the all 4 sentences. Okay. Next example, I wake up early in the morning. Do you wake up early in the morning? No, I don't wake up early in the morning. What time do you wake up in the morning? Next, I go to my office. Do you go to your office? No, I don't go office. Then, what do you do at your home? Next, I do my household chores. Do you do yourself your household chores? No, I don't do my household chores. Then, what do you do? I like watching movie. Do you like watching movie? No, I don't like watching movie. Which kind of movie do you like? I like horror movie. Do you like horror movie? I don't like horror movie. What kind of genre do you love to watch? I love to watch motivational movie. Do you follow social media? I don't follow social media. Why you don't like social media? Social media always divert us. Do you think social media is nowadays addiction for everyone? No, I don't think so. Then, what do you think about social media? Social media helps us to get lots of information. Do you use Instagram? I don't like to use Instagram. Why don't you like Instagram? Next, in different way. I send my children to school. Do you send your children to school? No, my children are studying in college. Where they live nowadays? They live in Bangalore. Do you like IT sector? No, this is not my cup of tea. Which profession do you like? I like teaching. Do you like teaching? No, I don't like teaching. What do you like in your career? What do you like to do in your leisure time? I like playing cricket. Do you like any game? I don't like any game, but I like reading books. What kind of genre do you read mostly? Is it fiction or non-fiction? I mostly read fictions books. Do you love non-fictions? No, I love only fictions books. In what tangent it helps you? It helps me to grow in my life. Do you have any dream? No, I don't have any dream. I love to enjoy at my present. So like this, you can also practice. So for today, I think it was enough for me. So we will meet tomorrow again on third day with different topic.